Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to send email to multiple recipients. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is of course log into your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. Then let's compose an email. So for example, I want to write subject meeting. Okay. So what you're going to do is click this too and then type the email address of the person you want to send it, then click enter, and then you can also have another email. You can type again all the emails that you want to send it to. So like just like that, as you can see, all the individual emails is right here. I'll be discussing the CC and BCC in another video. Okay, so another option is to have all your emails or mass emails in a list and then copy it and then paste it on the to section of your Gmail. And there you have it. All the emails will be individually sent to each person. But always remember that if you're not like identifying your recipients, they will see to whom you have sent the emails. Okay, so we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next video. Bye.